Hello student, this is computer application in pharmacy experiment number 8. Aim of this experiment is to creating an invoice table using MS Access. Upon completion of this practical, the student should be able to make invoice tables in MS Access. What is invoice? An invoice is a bill or a tab. It is a commercial document issued by a seller to a buyer, relating to sale transaction and indicating the products, quantities, and agreed prices for the products or services the seller had provided the buyer. Now let's see creating invoice in MS Access. For this you have to open MS Access and create or open database. From the create tab, locate the table design and click on the table design. Create the fields as mentioned here: invoice number, text field as a text, then contract number, field text, invoice date, field date time, invoice item, field text, invoice amount, currency, invoice paid yes or no, field name, uh, and data type, like that. See the demonstration. For this you have to open MS Access. In MS Access, here you have to create give the file name invoice table, and click on the create. In this way you can create the uh, in this way you can create the table in which you have to go to the design view, click on the design view, give name to your table. It is invoice table or just a invoice. Click on to the OK. Here you see design view is open. Then click here and type first field name, that is invoice number, then contract number, and for contract number provide text actually. Then there is a type invoice amount, then invoice date, invoice item, invoice data field will be this here. Create your invoice table. Now next step, here you can see the table that we have prepared over there. You can see here. So here the table we have just made. Now apply the primary key to the invoice number, then save and rename the table and open the table in a table view. Enter the field values and save the table. From this, now you have to provide a primary keys. So invoice number is the main entity, primary entity. So we give a primary key to the invoice number. This is primary key. Then contract number is the foreign key because it is not actually involved in this invoice, and this is depend on the other table. Means contract name uh, numbers can be. There are different contracts. There is a different contract table, and foreign key is used to combine two tables. It creates a relationship between two tables. That's why it is called foreign key. Now save the table and open it into the datasheet. Here you can see datasheet view is in front of you. Here you can provide different images. You have to add different values, invoice amount, invoice date. Here you can provide date, invoice item, like that. So date, invoice item, anything you can give something other. Also we can give another information, add billing amount, add date, forward. This is for might be syrup. Like this you can enter number of entries into this invoice, and after that you can generate a proper bill for this particular invoice. Now see, this is the procedure we have done over here. You can see here then preview and printing the invoice. Means you have to see preview of this invoice bill, and you can print also this invoice. For this, you go to the file, there is a print option. Click on to print and click on to the print preview. Here you can see your printed invoice is in front of you. Now you can print this invoice also. This way you can print your invoice. Thank you. I hope you understand this practical and try to perform this practical